Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to learn maths. Let's handle geometrical shapes. Okay. So see on the table, many things are kept here on the table. We are also collect some things like matchstick box, carton of toothpaste, mithai, etc. Water bottle, balls of different size. Clone caps and pipe made of cardboard. First, matchstick box. Then again, carton of toothpaste, mithai box, water bottle, then balls of different size, 1 and 2. Two types of balls, clone of cap and pipe made of cardboard. Okay. So, cuboid or parallel pipe. Pick up the handle of the mithai box. See the mithai box. Okay. See the mithai box. A shape such as this is called the cuboid or the parallel pipe. You must have seen brick or the construction site. Any object shaped like a brick is called the cuboid. This such type of things are called cuboid or the parallel side. How many edges does this shape have? How many corners? Let's see. Cuboid has 12 edges. Cuboid has 12 edges. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Correct? And 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 corners. Now now let us look at the surface of the cuboid. Surface of the cuboid. There are flats. The cuboid has 6 flat surface altogether. If we place a cuboid on a slide in the park, it is slip. So if I keep on the park on the slide, it can be slip. Slope because it is flat surface. The object on the table is a table of the cuboid shape. Now next object is a cone. Cone. The shape like a clone cap or a fool's cap is called the cone. You are familiar with the ice cream cone and the mehendi cones. A cone has one edges and one corner. One edges and one corner. See here, this is the joker's cap. One corner and one single edge on the cone. The flat base of the cone is circular. See how many sloping surface of the cone turn continuously round is called the surface. If I keep this on the slide, it can be sloped round and round and round. So it is called the curved surface. Cylinder. Look at the water bottle. Look at the water bottle. Okay. The shape of the water bottle is called the cylinder. Is called the cylinder. Or cylinder, a bottle like a shape which has a circular base is called a cylinder or a circular prism. A cylinder has 2 edges. There not a single corner. A cylinder has 2 edges. Okay, but there is no corners. The base and the top surface of the cylinder are like flat and circular. The turning surface between them is a curve. The turning surface between them is a curve. C of the flat top surface, curved surface, and flat bottom surface. Place a cylinder on a slide in a park. If I keep on the slide the water bottle, it can go round. Next is sphere. Sphere is that which all the things are circle in a round shape. Correct? Circle is also called a sphere. A ball is said to be a spherical. Sphere. A shape like a ball is called a sphere. See, I have two balls. This ball is spherical ball, and this small ball is also round in a circle shape. This is also a spherical ball. A sphere has no edges and no corners. No parts of a sphere is flat. It turns continuously. Thus, a sphere has only a curved surface. Okay, thank you students. We will meet on next lecture.